In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view events in your AOL email. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up AOL and then select over in your settings. There should be a little calendar icon. Go ahead and select that. And then all of your events should be listed down here if you want to scroll through it. You can also view more events in full view by selecting that option as well. And that'll present a more full view calendar of all the events you have on your system or in your account. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.